We'll guide you through how to edit captions in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To start, launch the CapCut desktop software on your personal computer. Click the Sign In button located in the top left corner of the interface. Choose the Sign In with Google option for a fast and streamlined login. Select the specific Google account you wish to use for your projects. Click the Continue button on the Access Permission screen to proceed. Select Open CapCut in your browser's pop-up window to return to the app. Confirm you're logged in to access cloud space and full features. Click the Create Project button to launch the primary editing workspace. Select the Import button to begin adding your raw video material. Navigate through your folders to locate the specific media you need. Select the video files you intend to edit today. Click Open to bring those assets into your project media library. Click and drag your media directly onto the main editing timeline at the bottom. Use the Split tool to cut out any segments of the video you don't want to use. Select the Text option from the main menu bar at the top left. Click on the Auto Captions tab within the text side menu. Click the Generate button to allow the AI to transcribe your audio automatically into text. Select the text font on the right menu to open settings. Type Montserrat into the font search bar to find a professional typeface. Click on the Montserrat font style to apply it to the track. Review your video timeline to ensure the alignment and timing are perfect. Click the Export button located in the top right corner of the screen. Set your resolution to 1080p within the export settings for clarity. Adjust the bitrate to a higher setting to maintain image quality. Choose H.264 as your codec to ensure the video plays anywhere. Select MP4 as your output format for a balance of quality. Set your frame rate to 60 frames per second to achieve a smooth playback. Toggle off the Sync Video to Space option to manage storage. Click the Export button at the bottom to begin to render. Wait for the progress bar to finish as your video processes. Your video is now ready, and you can share it directly with friends.